let's talk one of my favorite topics, and that is the art of the side hustle. They are a great way to accomplish the goal of multiple streams of income. And personally, I think that's a great goal. And if that's one of the goals that you're after, or maybe you're already there, but you just want, hey, another side hustle to create another stream of income, that's absolutely fantastic. So what is this side hustle? Well, maybe you've already guessed by the channel, but if you're just kind of came across the video, online day trading is what I am all about and what I think is something that should at least be considered. Can I sit here and say that online day trading will be the perfect side hustle for you? I can't say that. I don't know anything about you, but what I can do is show you some results and then let you make the judgment on whether or not you think it would be worth your time. Because hopefully you are concerned about your time and you're thinking, you know, if I'm gonna pursue something, is it gonna be worth it? I'm glad. You're being very smart to not wanna waste your time.
Trust me, I'm like a smart person.
So to just give a little bit more context here in regards to the video, I wanna show you my trading account, show you some results, and then I wanna show you one of these trades so you can get an idea of how it looks, and then give you a resource where if you do wanna start and begin to build a foundation of knowledge in the world of what you're about to see, I wanna give you a free class that I offer for that. So a little bit more context, what I've done here and what you're about to see is by no means a full-time job. It's not a part-time job, but these results are from right around 1 hour per day. Now, some days it's way less. There was one day where it's like 15 minutes. Other days are gonna be a little bit more, at max 2 hours, but those days are very rare. But at the core, to estimate right around an hour is a good estimation of what could be accomplished here as part of the side hustle. But again, it doesn't have to be that much. It could be more if you wanted it to. But what I'm really trying to convey here is these results are by no means from multiple hours like a part-time job or a full-time job would be. These are from very minimal time. So let me walk you through and show you my trading account. So here we are on my daily summary, but let's go ahead and click here to the monthly summary here and come down, and you can see that the dates over here, whoops, but we have 5 days worth of data, and then right here you can see the results all the way down here, and that all comes to a total of $3,373.48 for 5 days or 1 week worth of time. And for me, that is worth my time. Whether or not it's worth yours, like I said earlier, I'll let you be the judge of that. So how can this be possible? What does day trading look like? And how can these results be generated? Maybe you're wondering, really just an hour? I mean, you sound kind of like a scam artist, and I get it. I can completely understand how you would be thinking that, but I should note that there's an entire playlist on my channel of me recording myself doing this live day trading. But I do want to show you just one little trade so you can see really how quickly these gains can come. But I also want to offer up the warning that please don't think, oh wow, this is some magic pill. So if I just sign up, I create a trading account, I'm gonna start to make those gains. No, this takes a lot of hard work, dedication. You've gotta build strategies and implement rules, and you've gotta use the right tools and all that. So yes, it's possible, but I don't want you to walk away thinking this is easy and it'll happen right away. No, you gotta commit yourself to this. But as you're about to see, for those that do make that commitment and put in the time and effort required, again, for me, the results can be well worth it. But let me show you what one of these trades look like. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you, so let me just keep this very, very short and sweet. The number I want you to pay attention to is down here. There's going to be a number and a line that starts to show up, and then over here, you're going to notice some numbers start rotating around. Just watch those numbers. Like I said, I'm not trying to overwhelm you, but like I said, I just want to give you an idea of just how this can happen in a very short amount of time. So let's get this trade going. So you can see numbers have shown up over here and are fluctuating around, but the number to ultimately watch is what shows up right there. So right there, notice $500. And then the other thing I just want to show you is right here in this column, you have exec time. So that's just telling you the execution time. When were things bought and sold? And you can see I bought at 10:19:05 and I sold at 10:19:23. So in other words, 18 seconds generated and put $500 in my pocket.
Okay, I like it. All right.
Once again, to reiterate, yes, crazy results, almost scam-like results, totally possible, but there's no magic pill. Please realize that. You better be somebody that has a passion and likes to work hard, likes to put in effort, because none of this is what you saw there. It may look easy, but no, there's a lot of intricacies that go into it. Things that can be learned, don't get me wrong, but I don't want you to show up and just think, oh wow, this magical side hustle is gonna put $500 in my pocket in 18 seconds. Can it? Yes, you just saw it. But there's a lot that goes into that, and this just didn't happen overnight for myself. So what was actually I trading here? So yeah, you're trading, maybe you have an idea, well, was that stocks or something, was that crypto? And what I was doing there was options. And depending on how new you are, sometimes people go run for the hills because of options. They have a very complicated reputation, and they can be made very advanced if you want, but they don't have to be made that way. I approach them in a very simple way. So whether or not you're someone that's heard of options, but you're kind of intimidated by them, or maybe you're someone that's like, no, I'm literally brand new, I've never even heard of options before, then I will put a link to this class down below, the big basics of day trading options, and that'll give you a good, firm foundation in terms of how they're working and how they can be used to your advantage. So that is how it all works. You have online day trading, in this situation, options, and whether or not those results are worth it, again, up to you. And I know I've said that many times, but that's what I want to reiterate. I'm not here to tell you that day trading is for you. I'm just here to give you some results and then let you make that judgment for yourself. But you can make a lot more than what you saw. You can make less. It's really just worth your time. But if you don't know what you're doing and you show up and behave in very, very poor ways, then you can also lose money. So you have to keep that in mind too. There's no guarantees that you make money. So like I said, that's why I keep reiterating, if you're gonna show up, be ready to learn, be ready to work hard, because there's nothing guaranteed in the world of online day trading. So if there are any other questions, please leave those down below. But yeah, something to consider. If you have any questions, like I said, let me reach out through the website, claytrader.com, comment down below. I'd be happy to answer anything for you. But yeah, if you did like these results, you think it would be worth your time, then yeah, please consider learning more about online day trading as a side hustle. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.